Let us begin the lesson volume of rectangular prisms, lesson 11.6. You know very well the volume of a cube or volume of a cuboid. When I say especially rectangle, if it's area, it's only length into width. If it's a volume, it's length into width, length time height. This is what you have to remember in this lesson, that the area was length time width, the volume is length time width time height. Okay, now coming to the first question. An obento is a single portion meal that is common in Japan. The meal is usually served in a box. A small obento box is a rectangular prism that is 5-inch long, 4-inch wide, and 2.5-inch high. How much food fits in the box? Now, girls, please. I know that you have this. Don't panic with what do you call it as mixed number. 4, length is 5, width is 4, and height is 2.5. Okay, so the step 2, you just write this and then you need to multiply. What is 5 times 4? 20. 20 times 2?
40.
40. Now you will say, teacher, where did this what do you call as 50 come from? Try to open 2.5, girls. Try to open up this 2.5.
5/2.
Once again. Yes, 5/2. So 20 times 5/2. What is 20 times 5, girls? 20 times 5 is 100.
100.
100/2. What is 100/2? What is 100/2? If I say
200.
100/2.
50.
100 I divide by 2. What is the answer?
50.
Are you sure, Malak? Correct. Correct. It is 50. If 100 I divide into 2 parts, it's 50 and 50. Right? If you have 100
Yeah.
reals and you want to share between 2 girls, divide between 2 girls, 50 and 50. That's it. Your answer is 50-inch cube. So I can give you such question in the graded material tomorrow, inshallah. Okay.
Okay.
Finish, girls. Finish writing. Stop me here if you don't get this.
Okay, miss. Here, miss, why we put 100/2?
20. If you multiply the numerator 20 times 5, what do you get?
100.
And there's nothing here, that means 1. What is 1 times 2?
2.
100/2. Numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. This is the rule of multiplication, right?
Yeah. Yeah. And then, miss.
All right. Next. Please just take a picture of this.
Okay, miss.
Take a picture, everyone, please. I will give you questions from here.
Okay, miss, I took a picture.
See the answers. Okay. Everyone, Malak, you took a picture?
Yes, miss.
Come to this question. See, this question, find the volume of the prism.
This page we did it.
No, really?
Yeah, Miss, look.
Okay, and you understood that volume of the prism, you will multiply the height and base only.
Yeah, Miss. But Miss, on your own, we didn't do 3 and 5.
All right, 1 second. And just put a cross mark to example 1. Example 1 type I will not give. Example 2, it's important. I'll give you such kind. Okay, come down. On your own, which question we did not do?
3 and 5.
Okay, all of them, mother. Okay, open up all of it. 8 to 8 times 16 times 2. Open up
17 over 2.
quickly. Come on, this is your time, so you need to do it. 17
Okay.
multiply by
13 over 2.
Ghalia, do you know where we are getting this? Ghalia, do you know how did I get? Malak, you know that, right? How did I get 17 over 2? And then times 13 over 2. Are you okay, Wateen?
Yeah.
What happened, dear?
Miss, I'm sick a little bit.
Take care. Exams are near.
Okay.
Are you taking medicine?
Yeah.
24, inshallah, salamat. Don't drink anything which is cold.
Okay.
And try to put, kurkum,
Yeah.
with milk. Anyways, you have all this 17, 13 over 2 and 24 over 2. Now, do you know how did I get this? I think 25 over 2, not 24, girls. This is 25.
Yeah, Miss, 24 over 2.
No. This is 25.
Miss, but when we multiply 12 over 12 multiply 2,
You get 24,
we
then
get
plus
24.
1.
Oh, yeah, 25.
Okay. So now let us take the calculator. Just do the denominator and tell me.
Okay. 5,304.
5,304. Okay.
Yeah.
5,304 over 2. Come on, do this over.
Miss,
Yes.
when I multiplied 17 over.
Don't do over. Just multiply the numerators. All the numerators. 17 times 13 times 25. I think you,
Miss, I got 5,525.
yeah, even I got the same thing. I think
Yeah.
Vateen did somewhere wrong. Vateen, check again because even I got same as Malak. 5,525, right? We got this. Yes, Malak? Now.
Yes,
Over
5,525.
Over,
Yeah, Miss, because I multiply 17, multiply 13, multiply 24.
okay.
So now I get
Okay.
5,525.
5,525 divided by 8.
Yeah.
Divided by 8, we get 690. But see, do the normal division. Yeah, like example, I get 690.625. But this
Like Miss, we divide 8 divided 5,525.
do like this. If you do like this 5,525 and you do 8, you will get the same answer as it is here. Do it and check and tell me, Yavateen and Malak.
Miss, 690.
5 over 8.
Yeah.
Yeah, so same answer, right?
Yeah.
Alas, fourth one we have done. Fifth one, come on, start doing it. It will be 3 plus 4 over 3 times 6 times 10 over 3. Multiply the numerators and the denominators. Come on, I'll write down here. Length is 6, multiply width is 10 over 2. No. They are giving you the area, right? Put a cross mark to question 5, guys. They are not giving you the width.
Okay, Miss.
But let us if you want to check cross mark, I will not give you from there. But let us solve. Let us solve. What is it? Area. The formula is volume equals area of one base into height. Area of one base into height. Let us do that. So if I do area of one base is 3, 1 over 3. That is 10 over 3 times height. So I get 40 over 3. It's not 20. Let's put a question, a cross mark to question number 5. That's it. We're not doing it. Next.
Okay, Miss.
Next. This, did we check it? All can solve.
No, Miss.
Yeah, just solve. Solve, take a paper. Solve.
Okay, Miss.
Gali, again I'm asking you, do you know how to open a 4.5? Do you know how to change this mixed fraction to normal fraction? 9 over 2. Yes, Malak.
Yes,
Next
Miss.
one. Tell me how much is the width?
It's 4 over 1 over 2.
No, it will be 5 over 2, right? 2 times 2, 4. Then I'll plus 1. 5 over 2. Shall I explain you, Malak, again?
Yes, Miss.
This you are going to multiply, Malak. 2 times 2, 4. And this you are going to plus. So what do you get? You get 5. And denominator will be written same as it is. Next. 9 over 2. 2 times 4. And plus 1. 9 over 2. And then times 3. So 9 over 2 times 5 over 2 times 3. So what are you doing? You will multiply all the numerators and then you will multiply the denominators.
Yeah. Miss, I multiplied the numerator and I get 135.
Yeah, 135 over 4. Do the normal division. 135 over 4, do the normal division, you will get 33. This answers. Check. Check and tell me now. Stop me if you have a doubt. Stop me if you have any question.
Miss, I get 33.75.
Okay. That is 33.34, right?
Yeah, Miss.
All right. So this lesson will be there for your inshallah for your graded homework tomorrow. And then we have next is I will start with dot plots and frequency. I will take any lesson from before and I will inform you tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
Now I will directly go to lesson number unit 12. That is data analysis, and I'll do 12.3. Turn to page number 662, sorry, 661. Turn to page number 661.
Okay, Miss.
What is a dot plot? It's a number line with marks. You know, you put marks, you put those dots. That is called the dot plot. And how many dots are there, or total how many is there, it is called a frequency. Hannah is training for a walkathon. The table shows the number of miles she walks each day. She has 1 day left in her training. How many miles is she most likely to walk on the last day? What do you need to find? I need to find the value that occurs more often. I need to find value that is coming again and again. Yeah, like mostly how many miles is she walking? Draw a number line from 1 to 9. Why do I draw 1 to 9? When you see this table, why do I draw 1 to 9? Anyone will tell me? And because see, this has 1 to 9. See, do you have any number greater than 10 in this table, in this box?
No, Miss.
So simple. We draw from 0 to 10, you know, 10 or 10 to 20.
Miss, this one is in page 605.
661. 661, ya Ghalia. Okay, so first thing, I draw this one from 0 to 10 and I start counting. Now, one, how many ones you have in the table? You have only one. 2, you have 4. 3, you have 3. 4, you have 4. 5, count 5 and tell me, Malak. Count 5 and...
1, 2, 3, 4, 4.
No. Again, in the second line, you have 2. In the third line, you have...
1. Oh, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And
5.
5. So 5 dots. 6, you have only 1. 7, I don't have. 8, I don't have. 9, I have 2. So this way I completed my dot plot. This is called a dot plot. Now, number of miles Hannah walked are more often. Which is the most girls where she walked more? 5 miles.
5.
I wrote here. So the number of the miles Hannah is most likely to walk on the last day of her training is 5 miles. How is it, girls? Isn't it easy?
Yes, Miss.
Yeah, Miss.
If I give this diagram for your homework and I ask you this question, the number of miles, so will you able to do, inshallah?
Yeah,
Yes, Miss.
Inshallah. Okay. Take a picture, girls. Both the pages, this side, question number 1. And I will just take to the other page also. This also. Both the pages. All
I
right.
took Miss picture.
Everyone, Ghalia? Wateen,
Yes.
did you take
Yeah,
a
Miss.
picture?
Yeah.
All right. Let's go to another question now. Jill kept a record of her worked out times. How many of Jill worked out lasted 90 minutes? Exactly. How many 90 minutes? Okay, for 30, it was 7. For 60, if we count, we have 11. For 90, we have 4. 4 frequency. For 120, we have 6. Like when I count from this box. So for Jill's, complete the frequency. For 90 minutes, how many it is, girls, when you count? 1 in the first, second, third. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So your answer is 4. This is called the frequency table. This is called the frequency table that you count and you write the number of things here. Example 2. The table shows the number of laps Ricardo swam each day. What percent of the days did Ricardo swim 18 or more laps? 18 or more. Girls, 18 or more means you need to know more than 18. What is the number more than 18? 19. 18 and 19. How many 18 you have and how many 19 you have? You have 118.
We have one,
You have
119 and 118.
Right.
219 and 118.
Now let us, this is the, from 3 to 7, you have frequency 4. From 3 to number 7, that is 3 is included and 7 is included. Count 3 and 7. First, no. Second, no. 3.
No, Miss, we have 1, 3.
You have 1, 3. You have 5. You have 6. Why is it 4? You see the first line, I have 5. That is 1. Second line, 5 and 3. 2, 3. Third line, nothing. Fourth line, you have 6. See, girls. The first question is 3 to 7. 3 to 7 means the number between 3 to 7. I have 5. I have 5. I have 3. 3 must be included and 7 must be included. Do you have anything else?
No, Miss.
No,
Okay, that's right, 4. Now come to 8 and 12. Come on. Let us circle 8 and 12. The first line, any number between 8 and 12? Yes, Malak?
8. We have 8.
In the first line.
In the first line,
8 and
10. 10.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have 2 10s.
And 1 12.
1 12. Second line,
12.
Ghalia, between 8 and 12. Do we have any number in the third line?
No.
8 and 12, no. Fourth line,
We have 8 and 11.
8 and 11. So total how many are there, Ghalia? Total how many are there? Tell me total, count and tell me how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, Malak?
6.
6. So between 8 and 12, it's 16. Wateen, count between 13 and 17. First.
13 and 17. In the first one, we have 15.
Second one.
Second one, 19. No.
Yeah, 19 and
Not
19. No, cannot be
Yeah.
19 and 19. Because it's 7.
Miss, you said 13 and 17.
Yes, yes, we don't have. Next.
16,
Okay.
14,
Huh?
17,
Huh?
13,
Okay, lastly.
17,
Yeah.
16.
Yes, so total.
7.
All right. Similarly, 18 to 22, we have 3. Now, girls, do you know how to take out the percentage?
Mm,
If I add all of this, see,
Like
no,
this.
Miss.
if I add all of this, I get 6, 10, 17, 18. Yeah, I have 20. If I add all of them, I have 20. So I will divide 4 out of 20. How much it is? What do you get 4 out of 20?
40.
Just 4 out of 4 divided by 20. If you do in the calculator, what do you get?
5.
No, I'm not saying 20 divided by 5, my sweetie. 4 out of 20. It's this. It's this. 4 over 20. If you do in the calculator, what do you get? Write 4 in the calculator and then put divide and put 20. Yes, what is the answer? 0 point?
Okay, Miss, wait, let me see.
Miss,
So
I got
4 divide
0
4
2.
divide 20. I get 0.2.
Yes. See, you will divide, then this answer you need to multiply with 100. This is the percentage. Like example, I get 4 out of 20 marks. I want to know my percentage. I will do 4 divided by 20, multiply by 100 because I want to know the percentage. So my answer is 20%. Same way, for 6, 30%. For 7, 35%. For 3, it is...
Okay, Miss, why it's 30 and 35 and 15?
So 7 out of 20, do 7 out of 20 because total is 20. If I get 7 out of 20 marks, 7 divided by 20 times 100.
0.35.
7, again, 7 over 20 times 100. Don't forget times 100. Oh, listen, we did not see the time. Ah, you have your class. I'm sorry, girls.